So, hey guys, welcome back with another video on Hacktify Diaries, where you get to learn about certified cyber security, ethical hacking, and also help related to any kind of exam. If you're preparing for the CEH, if you're preparing for the CPaint or CCT or the CND or GPT, any kind of exams you are preparing, and if you are getting any kind of difficulties, so here I am there for you. I can help you to get clear this exam in a very easy way in your first attempt. I'm not liking going to provide you any kind of cheatings, any kind of dumps. Okay, or like any kind of such things which will help you to clear your exams without doing any efforts or without learning anything. My job is here to teach you everything, to make your basics clear, to make your understanding things very reasonable. Okay, so what was about this video we are going to discuss. So without wasting time, we'll start this video. And if you are new to my channel, guys, please, it's a big request to don't forget to subscribe the channel, and make sure to share this channel to share these videos to with your friends so they can also get help. Okay, so let's jump back to the topic. So in this video, guys, I'm going to discuss some important points related to CH exams. So those people who are preparing for the CH exams or for the CPENT exams or any kind of exam related to the EC councils, and they are stuck with their material, they are stuck with their knowledge, or they are stuck with somewhere they don't know what to do. So guys, if you don't know about my channel, so my channel name is Hacktify Diaries. Okay, you can come here, and what you can do, you can just scroll down, and if you'll see that I have already uploaded so many parts of labs, or this same labs. Okay, this same types of labs you will going to see in your actual exams. Okay, same labs will going to see you in actual exams. As you can see, version part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and another one is part 5. So following these 5 videos is also more than enough to get you hands-on experience before going into the exams. Apart from this, I have also uploaded how to easily crack your CH version 12 exams. Those who don't know, so guys, I am already a certified. Okay, if you can show you my, I'm already done my with my certified ethical hacking theory, masters, practical. Apart from that, I've done with my CPENT and other certification I have done. So I have the knowledge of inside what things are going on, how to do the how to do the preparations, what are the things you need to avoid to not to get fail in your first attempt. So I have, apart from that, I have already helped more than 100 people, more than 100 students you can include, to clear their exams in their first attempt, no matter they are preparing for the theory, practical, or master. Is all automatically you will get if you clear this both practical and theory, so you will automatically going to get a master certificate. Okay, so I'm done with all these things, so I have idea about all these things. Apart from that, after clearing the certification, if you need any kind of guidance, like if you are not getting your first cyber security job, so what are the things you are doing mistakes. Okay, what are the mistakes you are doing which you need to avoid, like I have already uploaded that video also, mistakes to avoid while learning the cyber security. And if you stop these mistakes, if you stop avoiding these mistakes, you will easily clear your first cyber security jobs, and you will land your first as a cybersecurity jobs. Apart from this, another video I have uploaded. Apart from that, I also upload any much another videos related to hacking, like how an hackers can attack your device and compromise your device with an image file. You can just go and watch, in which in this video I have demonstrated a video in which I have embedded a malicious file into my image, and with the help of that image I compromise with my Windows machine and get the shell access to my Metasploit, and how I can do further steps while getting the access of my this device. Apart from that, what is the name in the CH version 13? Okay, I have also uploaded that things. Now let's jump back to the topic. So guys, those who purchase, okay, those who purchase the theory for this version 13 or the practical version 13, so what they can do, if you don't have the labs, if you don't have the labs to do the practice, what you can do, you can come to me, you can tell me that brother, I need your help related to the version 13 or related to your version 12, or for the any exams like CPENT or anything like that. I can provide you my help, I can provide you my guidance. I can tell you, bro, that you need to do these things to get your clear exams. Apart from that, I also help people to teach them. I also used to teach them, then providing the demonstration, providing the Gmeet session live, where people, where students are connecting with me live. They come to me, they teach from, they learn from me. So if you are interested to learn all those things, if you are interested to learn apart from hacking, sorry, apart from CEH anything, okay, so you can come to me, you can ping me in the Telegram. I'll provide my Telegram ID in the description. You can just go there, and you can come to me, and you can connect with me. And if you are interested to clear your exams in your first attempt, so I charge a very small amount of 2100, which is very less in the market. If you'll go and you see, the institutes are charging very huge amount, like 20,000, 15,000, 55,000, 16,000, after paying the 50,000 of 35,000 of voucher. Okay, so I am not charging any big amount to make you clear your exams in your first attempt. Okay, I will show you that other peoples are also joined with me. More than 25 students are currently preparing for the CH exam. So I'm providing my guidance, I'm teaching them how to do the all these things in the exams, how to do the practice. And already I provided my lab access. If you can see, those who are preparing for the theory, okay, so they can come here. All the 100 questions will be there, same times we're going to see. Okay, same thing will going to see you in the exam also. You need to just what to do, come here, do the practice again and again, and you will going to be get a hands-on experience with the real exam. So it will be good for you that before entering into the real exam, you can see a little bit of demo of that exams. Okay, sit here, do the lab access and get hands-on experience. Apart from that, I have access of lab 1 also. Come to me if you need the lab access. Okay, if you need lab access, you can come to me and you can do the practice. Like I have the same thing. Okay, same thing you will going to see you in the exam also. Not the same question will be something different, but same 20 questions will be in your right hand side, and the same panel of Linux machine or the Parrot machine you will going to see. Another machine will be your Windows machine. With these two machine you need to crack all the 20 questions. Okay, apart from that, there will be two machines. One will be your Windows Server 2060, which you need to take a remote access. Some kind of that will be there, will be you need to demonstrate. And there is a Ubuntu machine also, in where you need to perform a privilege escalation. Okay, such types of questions will come in the exam. I cannot tell you the direct what types of question will come, because I also don't know. But yeah, I can just tell you that if you need the practice, if you are thinking that you don't have any, you are not that much confident to give the exams, you can come to me, tell me that you need lab access. I'm going to provide you the lab access. Apart from that, you can come to me, you can join my group where I'm teaching everyone. I providing them the Gmeet session. I providing them the study materials. Apart from CH, also providing another study materials. You can come to me and you can ask me about that you need my help. I will definitely provide you. I will try to connect with you as soon as possible. So that's it. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you cleared out what you need from me and what you not from me. Okay, so those who are interested to take my service, take my help for the exam, they can connect with me via my Telegram ID, and I will definitely help you to clear your exams in your first attempt. Because CEH is like a exam. If you fail, guys, you will not going to get another chance. You need to pay another huge amount to clear this exams. Okay, so in front of that huge amount, my 2100 is not a big amount. Okay, so I am just providing you the knowledge, help you to clear your exam. Apart from that, if you need my help with the career guidance, if you need my help to get your first cyber security job, I will provide you that help also. So that's it for today videos, guys. We'll meet in the other video. Thank you. Bye, guys.